In Britain until 1832, only male homeowners in certain parts of the country could vote in elections. While things slowly improved for men over the next 50 years, there was no improvement for women at the time. This was just one of the ways women were treated as second-class citizens. According to the law, when a woman married, her possessions passed to her husband, and she could only divorce him if she could prove adultery, cruelty, or desertion. Following the Industrial Revolution, women increasingly worked full-time, meaning opinions gradually changed about their role in society. And also it meant they would meet up in large groups and could discuss their situation. Two organisations formed to win votes for women. The Suffragists were led by Millicent Fawcett, who believed peaceful methods like petitions and lobbying MPs would demonstrate they were intelligent and law-abiding and responsible enough to vote. The Suffragettes formed from the Suffragists and was founded by Emmeline Pankhurst and her daughters Christabel and Sylvia. They were frustrated at the slow progress and called for action. Their motto was deeds, not words. Their more extreme actions included chaining themselves to railings, setting fire to buildings, and even using bombs. As a result, many were arrested. One of the most famous incidents involved Emily Davison running in front of the King's Horse during the Epsom Derby, and she died from her injuries. When the First World War broke out, the suffragettes reduced their more violent acts as they feared a public backlash. A new law was required to allow servicemen abroad to vote, and it was argued that the new change should also include women. In 1918, women over 30 who owned property were finally given the vote, and 10 years later, the Equal Franchise Act gave the vote to all women over 21.